What if one of the most legendary Mercedes sedans ever made came back in 2027? This is the 2027 Mercedes W124 Concept, and honestly, it looks absolutely insane. Classic boxy design, modern AMG aggression, retro headlights mixed with futuristic LED technology. This isn't just another luxury sedan. It's a perfect combination of old-school Mercedes soul and next-generation performance. And today, we're going to take a full look at this futuristic W124 build, from the aggressive exterior, the modernized interior, all the way to the performance and technology that could make this one of the coolest retro-inspired cars ever created. The very first thing you notice about this car is the presence. Even standing still, the W124 looks powerful, clean, and incredibly intimidating. Mercedes kept the iconic boxy silhouette that made the original W124 legendary, but now everything feels wider, lower, and far more aggressive. From the front view, this thing looks like a futuristic AMG monster. The blacked-out grille gives the car a stealthy appearance, while the redesigned circular LED headlights instantly become the main visual highlight. And honestly, these headlights are amazing. They combine retro Mercedes styling with ultra-modern lighting technology. The dual circular LED rings give the car a classic German luxury vibe, but the sharp LED elements inside make it feel futuristic at the same time. It's the kind of design that immediately grabs attention on YouTube thumbnails, especially with the glossy black finish reflecting under bright daylight. The front bumper also looks much sportier compared to the original W124. You can see the aggressive lower splitter, larger air intakes, and lower ride height that completely transform the personality of the car. This isn't a calm luxury sedan anymore. This feels like an AMG performance machine designed for high-speed highway driving. Then we move to the side profile. And this might actually be the best angle of the entire car. The proportions are incredibly clean. Long hood, flat roofline, straight body lines, wide stance. Everything about this side profile screams timeless Mercedes design. Unlike many modern cars that use complicated curves and oversized body panels, the W124 stays simple. And that simplicity makes it look even more premium. The black wheels fit perfectly with the dark body color, giving the sedan a stealth fighter appearance. The lowered suspension also helps the car look planted to the ground, making it feel sporty without destroying the elegant luxury character of the original design. And one detail I really love is the balance between classic and modern. Mercedes didn't completely redesign the W124. Instead, they respected the original DNA while adding futuristic touches carefully. That's why this concept feels believable. It looks like something Mercedes AMG could actually build in the future. Now let's talk about the rear design, because this is where the futuristic styling becomes even more obvious. The full-width LED light bar instantly modernizes the back of the car, while still keeping the classic W124 taillight layout. The circular turbine-style rear lights look incredibly unique. Especially at night, this setup would probably look absolutely insane on the road. The quad exhaust system also adds a much more aggressive performance feel, and because the car sits low and wide, the rear stance looks muscular and expensive, almost like a luxury touring sedan mixed with a modern AMG Black Series car. It's retro, it's futuristic, and somehow it works perfectly together. Now let's move inside the cabin. This interior is probably one of the coolest parts of the entire build. The moment you sit inside, you immediately feel the classic Mercedes atmosphere. The dashboard layout still keeps that old-school horizontal design. And and the wood trim gives the cabin a warm, premium feeling. But at the same time, everything feels upgraded. The modern AMG steering wheel completely changes the driving experience. You now get performance-inspired controls, premium materials, and a much sportier grip. The digital lighting accents across the dashboard also bring a futuristic luxury vibe, without making the interior feel overly complicated. And unlike many modern cars that rely entirely on giant screens, this W124 concept still feels driver-focused. You still get physical controls. You still get that classic Mercedes simplicity. And honestly, that makes the cabin feel far more timeless. The panoramic roof also helps the interior feel much more open and modern. Combined with the black leather seats and quilted door panels, the cabin looks elegant, sporty, and expensive at the same time.
Now, obviously, this is a concept interpretation. But if Mercedes ever built a real 2027 W124 AMG, the performance would probably be unbelievable. Imagine this car with a handcrafted twin-turbo V8, over 700 horsepower, AMG all-wheel drive, launch control, adaptive suspension, and a deep, aggressive exhaust sound. This thing could easily become one of the coolest retro-modern performance sedans ever created. But honestly, the best part about this car isn't just the speed, it's the emotion. Modern cars are becoming more futuristic every year, but many of them are losing personality. The W124 reminds people why classic Mercedes design became legendary in the first place. Strong lines, simple elegance, real road presence. And when you combine that classic design with modern technology, you get something truly special. So, would you drive the 2027 Mercedes W124? Do you think Mercedes should actually bring back this legendary sedan in a modern AMG version? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching Auto Vibe, and I'll see you in the next future car review.